to the outside.
Oh, ako doon clip. Okay, so first, this is the abdominal aorta. Abdominal aorta. This is the left gastric artery. This is the hepatic artery.
Asa man si Pali?
Ang cephalic is supposed to be here, celiac here, but it's not visible. This is the gastroduodenal artery. This is the superior pancreatico-duodenal artery. This is the splenic artery, splenic vein, since padong siya sa spleen.
Tapos kami din.
Diri sa ta. Kani kay portal vein, bile duct, inferior vena cava, renal artery and renal vein. So this is the right kidney and this is the left kidney. Superior mesenteric artery, superior mesenteric vein. Then next, kani kay common iliac artery, right and left common iliac artery, then right and left common iliac vein. This is the ureter. This is the median sacral artery. Then testicular and ovarian artery. This is the psoas major, iliacus, quadratus lumborum, and